Let's explore the fascinating world of cryptocurrencies and uncover some hidden gems that might just be undervalued right now. As we look toward 2025, these coins show incredible potential for growth and could offer exciting opportunities for investors. So, grab your digital wallets, and let's dive into 5 cryptocurrencies that deserve your attention. 1. VeChain (VT). First on our list is VeChain, a blockchain platform designed to enhance supply chain and business processes. With a market cap that often flies under the radar, VeChain focuses on real-world applications, particularly in logistics and supply chain management. Its partnerships with major companies across various industries, including Walmart and BMW, showcase its utility and effectiveness. Why VeChain? VeChain uses a unique two-token system, VT and VTHO. VET is used for value transfer, while VTHO is used to power transactions on the network. This structure helps keep transaction costs low and efficient. As more businesses realize the benefits of blockchain in their operations, VeChain could see significant adoption, making it a coin to watch in 2025. 2. Harmony 1. Next up is Harmony, a blockchain platform that focuses on scalability and speed. With its unique sharding technology, Harmony can process thousands of transactions per second, making it an attractive option for developers looking to build decentralized applications. The Harmony advantage. What sets Harmony apart is its commitment to decentralization and community governance. The project aims to create a fully decentralized ecosystem where users can participate in decision-making processes. As decentralized finance, DeFi, continues to grow, Harmony's scalability and community-driven approach could make it a strong contender in the crypto space. Keep an eye on one as it develops. 3. Algorand (YLGO). The third hidden gem on our list is Algorand. This blockchain platform aims to solve the blockchain trilemma of decentralization, security, and scalability. With a focus on creating a borderless economy, Algorand has been gaining traction for its fast and low-cost transactions. Why Algorand matters? What makes Algorand particularly interesting is its unique consensus mechanism called Pure Proof of Stake (PPS). This allows for quick finality and reduces the energy consumption typically associated with blockchain networks. As more projects look to build on Algorand's infrastructure, YLGO could see significant growth in the coming years. 4. The Graph (GRT). Next, we have the Graph, an indexing protocol for blockchain data. As the amount of data on blockchains continues to grow, the Graph provides a way for developers to efficiently query and access this information. Think of it as the Google of blockchain data. The Graph's importance. The Graph enables developers to create decentralized applications, dApps, that can easily access blockchain data without needing to build their own indexing systems. This makes it easier for projects to launch and scale. As the demand for dApps increases, the Graph's utility will only grow, making GRT a hidden gem worth watching. 5. Oasis Network (ROSE). Last but not least is Oasis Network, a privacy-focused blockchain platform designed for decentralized finance and data tokenization. With increasing concerns about data privacy and security, Oasis offers a unique solution that allows users to maintain control over their personal data. The Oasis Advantage. Oasis Network's unique architecture separates consensus from computation, enhancing both privacy and scalability. This makes it an attractive option for developers looking to build secure and privacy-preserving applications. As awareness around data privacy grows, ROSE could see significant adoption and appreciation. In value, it's certainly one to keep on your radar. There you have it, 5 hidden gems in the crypto space that are undervalued but hold incredible promise for 2025. From VeChain's real-world applications to Oasis Network's focus on privacy, these coins offer unique features that could lead to substantial growth in the coming years. As always, remember to do your own research and consider your investment strategy. Which of these hidden gems are you most excited about? Let me know in the comments. Keep exploring the world of crypto, and who knows, you might just discover your next big investment.